The other question which has come from a young person, if we eat traditional Indian food over fast food, will it help build our immunity?
Yes, we have to look into it. Just because something is traditional, you can't say it is very good. कि हम भी तली हुई बहुत सी चीजें ऐसे खाते हैं. We eat lot of fried food, and we have, very bad nutritional menu that we usually follow. आलू, रोटी और चावल, तीनों के तीनों कार्बोहाइड्रेट. And फिर we keep expanding our Madhya Pradesh.
There is another question. Lots of people are suffering from depression and social loneliness. What is the answer to this, to beat this?
Exactly, for depression and anxiety, I would tell them to do meditation and Sudarshan Kriya. Sudarshan Kriya has been found the best antidepressant by NIMHANS, National Institute of Mental Health and Neurosciences. They found that this does the same work as an antidepressant tablets. So, and Sudarshan Kriya kare, meditation kare, yoga. If they practice these three things, I think they can get over it very soon, in days, even in weeks.
Sudarshan Kriya is, of course, your invention. And have you taken a copyright on it or not? Nobody can copy it and sell it otherwise.
No, hey, copyright माने है, otherwise somebody else.
Intellectual property right, IPR होना चाहिए ना इसके ऊपर.
Yeah. Someone else was going to take it, so we took it before that.
Yeah. Other philosophical question which has come: is the coming of coronavirus a cycle of life?
Coming up? Can you
coronavirus is a cycle of life. Every 100 years something comes. Is it like that or not?
Well, it's a man-made disaster. I wouldn't call it a natural disaster. If it's a natural disaster, it would have been there from long time. If something is a man-made disaster, then, I don't think its life will also be for too long.
It has been there for 4 months now. We don't know what is going to end.
Yeah, I don't think it will be forever, but it's not a natural thing. It's an artificially man-made disaster. That's what I believe.
Hirji, I want to go back to that. You were saying it is service industry and whatever, going back to what I'm seeing now, most of the yoga gurus, not that they want it, they are much more popular. I see their proximity with the ruling establishment is much more conspicuous now. You are seeing more, current establishment.
Prabhuji, your question is not audible.
I'm saying that what I'm looking at is that all the yoga gurus, they are very popular throughout the world. But do they need some kind of political proximity? Because they are seen more with the political leader ruling party now than they were ever before. It was because the earlier dispensation, they were not acceptable, or now they are more acceptable?
Yeah, see, for anything to grow, you need support of the state. If yoga received the support of state earlier, it could have perhaps covered even more part of the globe. But this support for yoga and recognition of yoga from the state is very crucial. It's not politics, but support is essential. Then it gives authenticity to a sort of recognition to it. See, even religions are recognized in various countries as state supports those religions. Here, I'm saying we are secular state, but we must support spiritual aspect because that is the wealth of this country. If the state doesn't come forward to support the spirituality, then anyway spirituality will become popular in the world. But it's better for our own state that you get some, it gets that support much needed. Rajashri jisko kehte hain.
आपको लगता है कि इस सरकार में, मोदी जी की सरकार के अंदर, रिकॉग्निशन ऑफ योगा एंड एवरीथिंग विद along with it is getting much more recognition than it was in the previous regimes?
देखिए, आयुर्वेद, as far as Ayurveda is concerned, I would say, see, Chinese medicine is an offshoot of Ayurveda. When Bodhidharma went to China, he took Ayurveda also. Today, Chinese medicine has life insurance coverage in America, in Europe. It is accepted as a medicinal system, but not Ayurveda. Why? Because we ourselves has not recognized our own medicinal system, which is 5,000 year old, which has less side effect. In fact, the medical tourism in India is for Ayurveda only.
Yeah.
So when we recognize this through the ministry, a separate ministry, then the ministry can talk to people abroad, negotiate with them, so the benefit of herbal medicine can reach the world population.
My question was very specific, that मोदी जी के राज में आप लोग ज्यादा एकदम, आप लोगों की रिकॉग्निशन ज्यादा है, उनको समझ में आया कि योगा और आयुर्वेदा बहुत इम्पोर्टेंट है, क्योंकि आप लोग पहले इतने नजदीक पॉलिटिकल लीडर्स के नहीं होते थे जितने आज दिखाई देते हैं दोनों तरफ से. Is it because of unity of thought?
I think it's because of the leadership understands the value of these ancient methods. The leadership understood how yoga is popular all over the world, how we can really ride on it, how Ayurveda is beneficial for the nation, and why we should recognize it. I think it's the view of the leadership, and they have paid a lot of attention. Modi ji has created a separate ministry for that need to be lauded. Otherwise, हमारे यहाँ तो आयुर्वेद को पूछने वाले ही नहीं थे. Though it was just a part of the health ministry,
right,
but they were totally ignored, actually.
एक क्वेश्चन आपसे पूछना जी. Now in your 65 years of age, what kind of challenges, most difficult challenges you faced to come to this level, and how do you resolve them?
I have faced many challenges. वो सब बताते जाते किताब ही लिख सकते हैं.
नहीं, आप छोटे से कविता सुना दीजिए, किताब मत लिखिए. बता दीजिए ताकि जनता, जो आपके फॉलोअर्स हैं, हम काफी सारे वर्ल्ड वाइड, they must know this was the challenge which Shri faced and he came out of it, so that they also learn something which they don't know yet.
हमारा तो बहुत से ऐसे चैलेंजेस है. एक तो हमारा वर्ल्ड कल्चर फेस्टिवल का ही एक चैलेंज था. दिल्ली में इतना बड़ा आयोजन, 7 एकड़ स्टेज में 40,000 लोगों को एक साथ, विदाउट प्रैक्टिस, विदाउट रिहर्सल, they had to come on the day of the performance and play there. And that was a challenge. We had the whole training done online. Visually, by computer, from Japan to South America, we had to coordinate this whole issue. And then nearly 185 dignitaries and heads of state from all over the world were coming here. And then some NGO starts saying we are polluting the river Jamuna, which is already polluted. And then they put a challenge that, we didn't know how it was before, but now it is destroyed. How can you say something is destroyed if you don't know the state of it before? And when there were no rules were made for environmental at that time, then you cannot say you have violated the rule. What is the rule you have violated, which was not even formed? These were big challenges at those days. But we had the program, one of the biggest program. Acha, isme ek aur very important secret thing I can share with you.
Yeah.
At that time, the president of Zimbabwe, Mugabe, Mugabe, the president of Zimbabwe, he called us on the 9th of March that I am coming on the 10th to participate in the program with you. I'm coming on a plane with 40 of my ministers, everybody, to organize stay everything in the hotel. No, everybody came and they had their own stay. They organized everything. Here, the head of the state is calling us, I am coming. No, we invited all the heads of state, but we never expected Mugabe to come. And not only, he announced in the media, I am coming to the World Culture Festival.
Yeah.
It created so much furore in whole of Europe, and our centers got call from all the local parliamentarians and heads of state of Germany, France, Italy, Switzerland, Scandinavia says, if this man is coming, we are not coming.
Ooh.
And European Parliament members were cancelling their tickets because he is coming. He said, we cannot stay, and we advise Gurudev also to not share stage with him. So, ab kya karenge? It was a earthquake, a tsunami chad gaya sab. Suddenly, everybody was dropping out. It would be only India-Africa Cultural Festival, not World Culture Festival. Then I had to call Mr. Mugabe. Meanwhile, what had happened here, some Congress people had persuaded our President Pranab Mukherjee to not to go because they have put some cases on. So, they didn't want this credit to go to current Modi government, so they were trying to put all sorts of publicity for this. So, but that worked very, very good for me, President not coming. So I called Mugabe, see, it is not to your dignity, because our host country president won't be there. So if you come, it will be not up to your protocol. So why not we have some other time when our president is free, because he is held up with some very important work. He could not come. So what do you say? So we talked to him in that tone. Because then at that time, Jaishankar ji, our current minister, was here, was in the foreign secretary. I told him, he said, yeah, this is a big challenge. Gurudev, we have to find a way. And Vikas was also there.
He was joint secretary.
Yeah.
Vikas Swarup, उन्होंने भी कहा, Gurudev, this is a very big difficulty. How are you going to handle it? Because when he is coming, we cannot refuse. We have to give him everything. Then I said, no, I will do something. So I called him in the morning. I told him, look, this may not be of your status. There are some issues here, and it seems to be rainy day also. So, Your Excellency, we would like to plan another event for you with our president. So it matches the protocol. I said Sri Lankan president is also not coming. Nepali president is also not coming. So we are doing like this. What do we do? So then he said, okay. Then he diverted his plane. Instead of coming to India, then he went to Bali, took a rest.
So Shri became diplomat also.
So
Shri became
diplomat as well.
Then all these people who had cancelled their tickets, they reinstated tickets. The Vice President of European Parliament and the Cultural Minister of Norway and Sweden, and all these places, all these people, Europeans and Americans, they reinstated. Only the Norwegian Prime Minister who was to come, she couldn't change, he couldn't change at that time. They were very sorry about it because they had cancelled, they could not reinstate. But everyone else came and we had a wonderful culture festival. In the middle of all the storm. And then people were going, trying to say, oh, yahan garbage kar diya, yahan garbage kar diya. Jamuna mein koi garbage nahi dala gaya. In fact, it was stinking so much. It was stinking so much in those days. But the main thing was, see, we had not lost our cool. You would have seen, people asked me, how come you are smiling in spite of all these challenges? Big challenges. So we said that is the power of spirituality. That is the power, strength of Atmagyan.
And balance.
Atmagyan bina sab jhoota. Kya kaha, kya kaha. So bilkul
That's the balance, art of balance also.
Yes.
correct.
Interesting.
Thank you very much. Prabhuji, would you like to ask any more
No,
questions?
I think that is after that it will become a little
Yeah.
more philosophical. It's interesting. Gurudevji,
Thank you very
much.
much. Thank you very much, Sri Sri. And that's why one should do Sudarshan Kriya, to keep smiling like you and to learn the art of happiness. Thank you very much.